Hello guys, what's up and welcome to the SketchUpArchStudio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how we can create some super realistic interior TV room rendering in Enscape for SketchUp. So first of all, I'm going to click on the scene number 7 in here in my SketchUp environment, and second step related to the Enscape. So I'm going to open the Enscape in here, and this is my environment. First of all, I want to start my job with the visual setting, and I want to increase the rendering quality to the ultra mode. As you can see, when you change it to the ultra mode, some settings will be completely changed for you. And now I want to turn on the safe frame. So field of view is one of the important factors in your rendering, so I want to type 63 for example, or maybe 62 or 1. It completely depends on you, and my exposure is about 52%. Alright, I'm gonna minimize the Enscape in here and the SketchUp in here. In these decoration type, we have some type of yellow line inside of it, and you can see it in the render. If I move near to it, you can see it much clearer, and I think it's really wonderful. I want to change the scene line to the scene light, but I don't know how. So if I click on the Enscape material editor in here and click on the yellow light and change it from the generic to the self-illuminate, you can see it will completely convert it to the self-illuminated light. If I click on the color option in the advanced mode and copy this code in here, Ctrl C, and click on the color another time and paste it in here and press enter, the yellow color will be completely applied for our light. After that, if I want to increase the light power, I can increase the luminance's power in here, 5600 candela, and press enter. Everything is done for us, and now time for the TV bar. If I click on the gold texture in my Enscape material editor and click on the generic type, I can switch it to the self-illuminate, and now I have some better view about my rendering. So I don't want to change the color of it because it's completely good. So now time for the rendering. I'm going to close the Enscape material editor in here, click on the F on my keyboard, and camera number 7 selected for me. I can click on the Enscape asset library in here and adjust some type of new assets for my interior design. For example, if I need some type of vase for my left side and right side, for better decoration, I can click on the accessories and click on the search bar, and I only need to type vase in here and press enter. As you can see, we have multi-type of vases in here, and I want to select this one for example, or this one, and add it in this part of my render, and click on the apply changes, and this is the wonderful effect of it in my realistic rendering. If I want to add more details, I can click on the search option and type toy, so it's related to the children's play, and I want to select some of them. For example, this doll in here is really interesting. I want to add it in this place. This type of doll another time, and another one, for example this car, I want to add it, and some other type of tools which related to kids, for example these Legos, and for example this woody car. I think it's good. I can click on the selection, select one of them, click on the rotate option, and rotate it very simple and easy in my Enscape real-time rendering. If I click on the apply changes, after all of these changes you can see some better view for your render, and I think it's really wonderful. If I close the Enscape asset library, now I can click on the visual setting and change my focal point for my focusing. So I can play with the focal point to some place like that, for example 5.32, and press enter, and my depth of field is about 11%. Alright, everything is done. Final tip is about textures. I can minimize Enscape in here and click on the Enscape material editor another time and wood number 51 in here is selected. If I click on the texture, it's related to these doors in here. If I click on the texture and change the rotation, for example, to the 90 and press enter, now I have some type of smooth, straight texture in my job. So I want to add some type of diagonal texture, so I need to type 45 degree and press enter. Everything is done for me, and now time for the rendering. Very simple and easy. Under than 6 minutes we create some super realistic render in our 3D project. So I'm going to click on the screenshot in here and save it on my desktop with any type of name that I want, and click on the save option. It takes a little bit time, and after that Enscape will generate some super realistic render for you. If this tutorial is useful for you, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. For more videos you can follow our Instagram, and for your projects you can send your messages to our LinkedIn account. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and goodbye.